What is up, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? We're doing a Let's Play of Beyond Dying Skies tonight. Let's go ahead and get into it. So you'll see this is where I spawned, on top of a tree. I'm going to go ahead and get my charge beam out. And I'm going to get some of this leaf. I also have a scanner that'll tell me what type of block it is, so let's see what it is. Okay, it's blooming growth. And this one is flowery growth. Either way, both of the leaves will drop bat guano. You'll see here I'm dropping, dropping bat guano. It's a secondary drop, and I can harvest this bat guano into potassium nitrate. Now that's not the only way to make potassium nitrate. I could take ionic potassium and ionic nitrate and combine it into potassium nitrate, but that's the simplest way to get it. I got some sulfate here. I have some phosphate. Didn't get any potassium. Alright, I got some ammonium, but it says it decays into nitrate, so let's go ahead and decay that. So I have nitrate now, and I have some potassium. Now right now it's on a 4x4 crafting cycle, so I need 4 ingredients each. I may change that in a future release, I'm not totally sure. So I have 4 potassium, and I need... Okay, there's 4 nitrate. So I just made some more potassium nitrate there. So there's multiple ways to craft multiple things. It's inherent redundancy in the craft system. A lot of people have told me that they kind of don't really like the linear style of some other games that have crafting like that, so I went and put some redundancy into the game. But anyway, that's secondary drops. Now, each block has a secondary drop. Wood drops charcoal as a secondary drop. So I have potassium nitrate, now I need charcoal. We'll see that will make us some nice... Spoiler, it's going to be a weapon to defend us, defend ourselves against the drones. Apparently this is oak, and the light one is pine. Alright, we have 10 charcoal, and we have 16 potassium nitrate, so I can make about 8 grenade launchers. And a grenade launcher is just, it's a modification of the weapon. You see I'm launching grenades. They're actually unstable sodium blocks that will do an explosion when they collide with the terrain. It looks like I just picked up a little bit more charcoal, so I am now up to 10 grenades. Now if the drones come, which is an event, it may be asteroids, it may be drones. We're going to throw in some more events later, but right now we only have 2 events. When the drones come, they will be able to, we kill them, and they will drop iron, and they will also drop sodium. And those 2 things will be what we need to craft missiles. And missiles are just better grenades. They're a little bit more expensive. They require sodium bars and iron bars. And we'll talk about crafting bars as soon as the drones come out. Which I have no idea when that's going to be, because it's on a random spawner. So it may be 10 minutes from now, who knows. So until the drones come out, let's go ahead and just talk about these crystals here. We have purple crystals, which currently do nothing. So I'm just going to delete those. And we also have green crystals, blue crystals, and red crystals. The green crystals are kind of like the terraforming crystals. They were actually up an item level, a block item level. So I'll go ahead and show that to you here really quick. I'm going to take some soil, and I'm going to up this into grass. And so I have some grass. I'm going to up this into, it's probably some type of wood. And I can up that wood into iron. Ooh. Alright, so now I have 16 iron. I can actually up this iron into sodium. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's farm some green crystal shards. And right now it's a secondary drop on basically any type of block. All 4 crystals are secondary drops on any block. It's a random spawn. So we'll see how long it takes to get a few green crystals here. I only need... Okay, we got 2 green crystals there.
Resources unavailable.
So if I take some of this iron and I up this, then I will have... Oh, the pirates came.
Systems critical.
Oh man. Okay, this is
down.
terrible. So when you die, you lose everything. I just lost all of my stuff. I was ready to craft those missiles, but no, I died. I lost everything. So let's try to kill these pirates. Or these drones, or whatever they are. Ah, I'm dead. Every time you die, you lose everything, including experience. So it's very harsh. You don't want to die. Alright, so here is some iron. Oh, that was a leaf. Oh, they're coming. Oh, damn it. Oh, man. We're dying all over the place here. Oh, this fall damage, you know, we're never gonna get ahead in this game, ever. Alright, I got a little bit of something.
Low power.
Pick some of this up.
Resources
Right now there can only be
unavailable.
10 drops on the map at a time, which is kind of low. We're gonna probably update that. Sodium. Alright, I have 6 iron, and I have 4 unstable sodium. So all I need are red crystal shards, 8 of them, to make missiles.
Low power. Resources unavailable. Resources unavailable.
Just gotta get lucky with the drops.
Resources unavailable.
Thankfully, it's not too much of a grind,
Low power.
but it is.
Low power.
It always seems to be a little bit too long when you're looking for it.
Low power. Low power.
So there's 4. I need a couple more. Alright, there we go. That should be it. So I'm going to do iron first. Iron bar. So the red crystals convert some of the blocks into to bars. So sodium and iron both have a bar form. And if I use iron and sodium bars together, I get missiles. And right now we're given a lot of missiles here. Might need to nerf that, not sure, but they're kind of like grenades, a little faster. They have a trajectory and they have a particle system on them. So just, you know, they're really nice. They're really cool. But anyway, that's a sneak peek onto the first, I guess, playthrough of Beyond Dying Skies and what the initial gameplay is. In the next video, we'll go ahead and go down into the caves and we'll talk about how to make jetpacks and grappling hooks. That'll be fun. So until then, hit that subscribe button, and if you have any suggestions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you and goodbye.